Hello everybody, this is gonna be unboxing and installing of the Rally Raid platform foot peg plates for the Honda CB500x model year 2022. First we're gonna go what's in the package here. You can also get this as a black version, but I went with the metal color. Firstly, we have to screw these little, I don't know what you call these, spikes in here. We're gonna go and see how the install is. It's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna just put a little tab of thread lock there in every hole. Maybe they would be fine without it, but just to be sure. Now with the 2 mil Allen key with the thread locker in there. Here is the foot pegs installed with an easy half an hour of fiddling. Overall look on this aluminum version is that they blend with the pipe perfectly. Testing the feel on these Rally Raid pegs, how does the shift lever feel? Thing that I noticed, because the blade is taller and larger than the original peg, it takes time to get used to the different angle and distance between the shifter and the peg. I might get an off-road extension on the rear brake lever because the peg is higher and pressing the brake lever all the way is a bit harder. Standing on these Rally Raid pegs is quite more secure than the rubber ones. But there is a caveat to that. I can feel a bit more vibrations on my feet after installing these. Thanks for watching and keep on graveling.